Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and we're back with another one. Listen, anytime, let me know when you want me to stop. Welcome to another view into Huck's world. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got an awesome, and I do mean awesome watch face for you all to check out. And I know guys, you're tired of all these free watch faces, but right after this one, I'm gonna only do paid watch faces from here on out. And if you have anything to say about the statement I just made, hit me in the comment section down below, because I would love to hear your thoughts on this one. Now, this watch face is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Listen, download this right after the video. Watch the video because it helps my channel, but download this watch face. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's take a closer look at this watch face. Now, the name of it is called ClasportFer, if I pronounced that right. I'm going to throw it right up top, and I'm going to put it in the description box down below. Now, in always on mode, I'm really loving this look. I wish this was an actual watch face that I could play for it to be on instead of in AOD mode. But even when the watch face is on, it looks great. I like the color that's going on around the bezel of the watch is white. It brings out the rest of the colors, the red and the blue. And you get several dials in all, and it gives you an array of information. You're going to get your step info. You're going to get your battery info. You're going to also get your date in big bold numbers, and you're going to get the day of the week. I'm loving this look. Also, you're going to get your heart rate info. This is an analog watch face, and it looks awesome, right? But this is what it offers as well. If I single tap, I can change the theme to a degree. This is a totally different look, different color. So is this one. I mean, to be free, this is an awesome deal. I'm telling you guys, if you don't download this, I do not know what to tell you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Hit me in the comment section below. I would like to know who all are going to go download this watch face right after the video. All right, you all, if you like the video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like these and you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.